Captain America, Thor, Iron Man, Captain Marvel. These are some of our favorite superheroes, and each live in an incredibly well-imagined world. But what if they all lived in the same universe? I know, sounds silly, but according to the Marvel Single Universe, or MSU theory, these characters do not live in separate worlds. Some superfans have found Easter eggs that suggest the interconnectedness of several different Marvel movies. The first one occurs in the post-credits scene of Iron Man 2. The scene opens with a mysterious black car being followed through the desert of New Mexico. If you look closely, you can see a hammer in the dirt. I know what you're thinking. So what? I have dozens of hammers at home. A hammer's a hammer. What's the big deal? Are you kidding me? A hammer? That's your evidence? I cannot believe this. Really, a hammer. That's it. You've got to be joking. I thought the same thing. But if you notice the inscriptions on the head of the hammer, they bear a striking resemblance to the inscription on Thor's hammer, Mjolnir. Could Thor and Iron Man eventually meet? Well, if you're still not convinced, I have one more piece of evidence for you. The mysterious man. If you were paying attention while watching your Marvel movies, you may have noticed this cloaked man with one eye in the first Captain America. After Steve Rogers wakes up after sleeping since the 40s, he gets really mad, so he simultaneously shoves two guys about 65 feet through a wall, then shoves a couple more guys. He then notices billboards and gets scared, until an old one-eyed man in a turtleneck shows up. He is never named. Who is this man? Does he even matter? Proponents of the MSU theory think so. In a scene in Captain Marvel, Carol Danvers meets a guy with two eyes and talks to him at a table. You may be thinking, so the heck what? I'm a guy with two eyes. Well, Marvel superfans, or Ultra Marvelies as they call themselves, went above and beyond on this one. They discovered that the actor who plays Old One Eye is the same one who plays young Two Eyes, a man named Samuel Jackson. I know, you must be confused. Why cast the same man for two different characters? Well, what if it's not two different characters? What if it's the same man? What do you guys think? Is this just Ultra Marvelies with high hopes, or could these characters eventually meet? What would that look like? Don't remember to like and subscribe, and please leave your comments below on whether or not you think the Marvel Single Universe theory is fact or fiction.